When it comes to getting dental implants, patients are often faced with a critical choice: titanium or zirconia. Both materials are widely used in modern dentistry, but they serve different needs, and choosing the wrong one could cost you thousands of dollars in the long run. Let's start with titanium. It has been the gold standard in dental implants for over 50 years because of its incredible strength and durability. Titanium naturally fuses with your jawbone, making it virtually indestructible and perfect for back teeth and heavy chewing. However, because it is metal, patients with very thin or receding gums might sometimes see a faint gray shadow near the gum line. This brings us to zirconia, the modern metal-free alternative. Made from a durable ceramic material, zirconia implants are completely white, offering a massive aesthetic advantage for your front teeth. They are also highly biocompatible and perfect for anyone with metal allergies. The downside? Zirconia can be slightly more brittle under extreme pressure, and in Western countries, it comes with an incredibly high price tag. In fact, whether you choose titanium or zirconia, the cost in the US or UK can easily range from $5,000 to $8,000 for a single tooth. This is exactly why thousands of smart patients are now turning to India. Medical tourism platforms like Cure in India connect global patients with world-class Indian dental centers that offer both premium titanium and zirconia implants. In India, you get access to internationally trained maxillofacial surgeons using the exact same FDA-approved global brands, but at a fraction of the cost, saving you up to 80%. So which one should you choose? If you need maximum durability for a full mouth restoration, titanium is often the safest bet. But if you prioritize front tooth aesthetics or a holistic, metal-free lifestyle, zirconia is the clear winner. If you are confused about which material is right for your specific case, the team at Cure in India can help. You can securely email your dental x-rays to them at the address below for a free, no-obligation expert opinion from top specialists. Knowledge is your best tool when navigating expensive healthcare. Subscribe for more honest medical insights and protect your smile.